Hi everyone, today we are going to test out the new foundation from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So if you are curious how this new formula foundation is working out on a daily basis and you're not sure whether to buy it or not, then keep on watching. Welcome back. If you're new here, hello, thanks for being here. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, ring that notification bell so you know next time when Mew uploads a new video, and also join us on Instagram at Ammunition because we are a really positive family over there. Hey! Okay, so today you guys, I'm so excited. I'm usually excited about everything because we're gonna test out the new Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation, which has a pretty sick packaging, I can say. This is the Luminous Foundation. It's a medium coverage formula, long wearing but also a natural finish, which we've all been waiting for. This is cruelty-free, vegan-free, gluten-free, alcohol-free, everything-free. This is suitable for sensitive skin, so this is a good plus. Also, it came out in 50 shades. Hello, diversity. Yes. And this retails for £43. So today is gonna be a more active video than my usual stuff because I have some errands to run in the city center, so I will be out and about the whole day. But I will do random check-ins at different times to show you over the, I don't know, 12 hours time, something like that, maybe more, how this foundation and formula behaves on my skin. It's gonna be nice. Yay! So I'm gonna zoom you in so you see exactly the coverage and how this formula applies to my skin, and we're gonna go from there. Well, this is nice and personal. So we have this bad boy and I can't wait to try it. I took the shade 210N, which is supposed to be a match. It's a glass bottle, which is nice and heavy. Has a pump, which we can all appreciate. First of all, we're gonna start with a primer. I'm gonna do half of my face with a primer and half without, just to see how it behaves with and without the primer. Yay. And I'm gonna use a primer that I know that it didn't affect any kind of foundations until now. So I'm gonna use the Ordinary primer and I'm gonna just apply it over half of my face. And I'm curious if this is gonna make any difference. If I have a primer on, is the foundation gonna behave differently? I don't know, but we're gonna find out. Now, we are gonna do the foundation. We're gonna see what consistency this foundation has. Okay, so it's not very liquid. I'm gonna do first just a pump and see how this is gonna suffice, I would say. I'm gonna use an iconic London brush. Yeah, this seems like a pretty nice coverage. Medium coverage, yes, but it covered my redness around my nose, which is a nice touch. So I'm just gonna go in and add another pump. I wouldn't say this is necessary. I think it's more of a medium to high coverage. Okay, this looks really nice, to be honest. I don't have any kind of red spots on my face right now, and I'm quite red around my nose usually, which I'm not right now. Okay, it's definitely a dewy finish, so I'm agreeing with the fact that it's a natural finish foundation. One more thing I want to try is if it's buildable. Also, I don't see it oxidizing, which is another good thing. Yeah, so it's definitely buildable. Okay, so I'm definitely agreeing with the fact that it's a luminous foundation. I will just continue my usual makeup routine and see how everything applies on top of it. The first thing I'm gonna use is a concealer. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. So now that the concealer is done, I don't see any issues with it. I hope that once it's set down with some powder, this is not going to be so luminous because right now it's bringing all the attention to my pores. For powder, we're going to use the Revolution Baking Powder, and this is in the shade Lace. I definitely can say the luminosity is still there. Something really easy that I would wear on a daily basis and then come back right in for the first check-in. Okay guys, so now I already put the rest of my makeup on my face. I can definitely say as a first check-in, this is looking really nice. The shine and luminosity is still in there, even if I set it already with a powder, but I really like how this is looking. But I'm really curious how this is gonna behave over the day. So right now it is 9 o'clock in the morning, 9:03 to be specific, and I'm just gonna go on about with my day, and I'm gonna do random checkups with you guys from my phone. See you soon. Right now it's about 11 o'clock, so it's been like 2 hours almost. I can definitely say this is still looking good. The shine is still there. Hello, highlight. It did set up a little bit under my eyes, but other than this, I'm still saying that it's still luminous, it's still nice. Yeah, so I guess I'll see you again in about, I don't know, a bit of time.
2 hours later.
Hey guys, just a quick check-in. Right now it's about 1:30, so it did definitely set in my smile lines just a little bit, but overall I would say it's still looking good for the amount of heat that's outside right now. Yeah, by the way, I'm a bit of shopping right now, so excuse the background. But yeah, it definitely still is glowy, it's shiny, it's nice. Just a little bit of the setup, but that's fine because it's definitely really hard to find foundations which are not setting up on your smile lines, especially if you have really deep ones. But yeah, so see you in a bit. So just a quick check-in. It's about 4 o'clock and the foundation is still looking pretty damn good. It did sunk on just a little bit on my smile lines and around my nose, but nothing too major, I would say. And for this weather right now in England, that's amazing. What can you ask for more? And yeah, see you later. It's 6 o'clock in the evening. We're just heading out to watch a movie. We're gonna go to see Spider-Man, which is one of our passions, another one. And yeah, nothing has changed since our last check-in, I would say. It's still looking pretty awesome after I don't even know how many hours it's been. It's almost 9 hours, something like that. I don't think I can say this about any other foundations that I currently have in my collection, like after 9 hours to still be looking this good, but happy. Okay, I'll check with you back in a bit later. Okay guys, so for the final check-in, it's almost 9 o'clock in the night, so it's been 12 hours since I have this foundation on. It still looks pretty darn good, so I can't find it any faults right now, so I'm like, what have I put my hands on? So yeah, I will see you back in the studio with a final check-in, and yeah, I've been loving this all day long, so I think we found a winner. Well, that was awesome! So, one of the really good movies of this year, you guys. If you haven't seen it, go and see it. Coming back to the subject, this foundation, it's mind-blowing, okay? So it's been on for about 15 hours. It's 12 o'clock right now, and it's still on. After the conditions that I've been putting this foundation on today, like I've been shopping, I've been walking, I've been eating, I've been watching movies, I've been doing everything and anything to test this out, and it definitely did pass my test. So you can see it's still on. You still can't see any redness on my face, just a little bit of oil poking through my nose. Literally, that's it. I'm really impressed with this foundation, let's just say that. It was definitely long wearing, it's definitely a natural finish, and it's definitely a really good foundation and a really good formula. So I totally recommend it right now because it's 12 o'clock and I am so tired. Long day, everybody. Okay guys, so overall this foundation was a really good experience for my skin. It stayed put for 15 hours, which is really damn impressive, I would say. It just sunk on my smile lines and a little bit of oil is poking through my nose, but literally that's it. Really did the trick. Like, I'm not gonna lie, this is impressive, so yes. I really hope you enjoyed having more of an active poking through into my daily life than a usual video. So let me know what you thought about today's video in the comment section down below. Also, I really hope you enjoyed today's video, you guys. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification bell so you know next time when Mew uploads a new video, because I do every week. And don't forget before you leave to smash that like button and also join us on Instagram at Ammunition. Until next time, Mew.